Welcome to the Brush Party Club. Our club membership is perfect for everyone who loves painting and creating, as well as those who love to paint but maybe haven't picked up a paintbrush since school. So, what's actually included? Well, you'll receive unlimited access to our growing library of step-by-step painting tutorials with at least one video added every week. In the videos, we will show you how to use your brushes, how to mix up the paints, and we will guide you step by step through creating your masterpieces. When you join, we'll send you a complimentary painting kit with everything you'll need to get started, plus exclusive access to hints and tips videos, 10% off in-venue events, and all art equipment from the Brush Party shop. You'll also have the option to join a watercolour Zoom class once a month. You'll have access to giveaways and competitions, as well as being able to join a Facebook group designed just for the Brush Party Club. If you have any questions, please do send us an email at club@brushparty.co.uk. We really hope that you enjoy our painting tutorials, and don't forget to share your paintings with us.